Hi everyone, it is May 2nd, 2020, and I'm making this video because I want to take a look at our spending for April and just see where we're at because we have a goal of getting our spending down to $2,200 a month so that we can live off of one income and use the other income to pay off our mortgage crazy early. Our goal is to get it paid off in the next 5 years, and we bought the house last fall. So let's see where we're at. Let's see. For our mortgage, we paid $994.79. We're only required to pay $969.79, but we wanted to always pay a little bit extra, so we paid $25 extra each month just to get us a little closer to our goal of getting it paid off early. And then we haven't really put any serious extra money towards the mortgage yet, but that will come later once we cut our spending. And our electric bill was $77.86. Car insurance, $48.34. Our straight talk phones were $76.56 for the phone bill, and that's for both of our phones together. Internet was $59.99. Our gas was only about $20 this month. My husband and I are both working from home due to the coronavirus, so we haven't really gone anywhere. Our grocery bill is where it starts to get really ugly with this budget. We started lockdown where we live in April. I believe it was April. And so our first grocery shopping trip of the month, we went to a local organic food store because it was a lot less crowded than Walmart, but it was super expensive. That shopping trip ended up being over $200, which was ridiculous. So after that, we decided to go to do the Walmart pickup, where you order your food online and then they bring the food out to you. You park at a designated spot, and it was super easy. So I think we'll do that from now on. So the total price of our groceries for the month of April was $699.36, which is shocking. Okay, moving on to our water bill. We're charged every 3 months, so I just divided what the bill was by 3 to get the monthly total of $68.60. Netflix is $12.99. Hulu, $5.99. Google Music was $10.54. Audible, $15. And we got into a horrible habit of ordering delivery, mostly Pizza Hut. And it's ridiculous, I know, because we spent so much on groceries to still spend this much on ordering out. It's embarrassing. But the total is $235.49. It's just, it adds up with that delivery fee and the tip, and it's just way more than you think it will be. So to get the total, let's see, we're gonna do equal sum, open parentheses, and then we're going to highlight all of these, go up here and close parentheses and enter. And that brings us to our total, and shockingly enough, it's almost where we want it to be. That's really shocking. But I know we have a ton of room for improvement, especially with the grocery bill. I believe we can get that down to $400 a month if we really meal plan and stick to our list and just avoid getting all the junk food that we get so bad. And then with dining out, we need to get that down to at least $100 a month. I mean, 2 fancy dinners out a month is really, it's enough, I think. Yeah. So hopefully when we do the May budget next month, when we look back on it, it'll be greatly improved. I think it'll be within our goal. So if you haven't made an expense tracker, I highly suggest it because it's really eye-opening to see where your money's going, especially if you want to save for a goal. It's very helpful. So if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.